Routhin provides readers with various ways to explore content, as well as engaging interactive features. At Routhin, we categorize content into 3 types: Snap, Route, and Insight. Snap is short content that can include text, images, videos, and links. Route is snaps with links, and it is also our first step towards structured information. Insight is an in-depth long-form article that aggregates and organizes fragmented information, representing the distilled essence of the creator's thinking. As a reader, you can comment on, like, and share any content that interests you. You can support creators in 2 ways: by tipping and by unlocking hidden content. Hope you have an enjoyable exploration with Routhin.